Hi everyone. In this video we will be seeing the launch date, price and specifications of Samsung Galaxy M31. Welcome to our channel Tech Prime Info. The Samsung Galaxy M31 launched on 25th February at 1 p.m. Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone price in India is expected to start from Rs 15,999. This smartphone features a Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display. It has a quad rear cameras that packs a 64MP main camera. It is backed by a 6000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy M31 is available in 6 plus 64GB and 6 plus 128GB variants. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Prime Info.